Once on your page, click on the Edit button located below the page's cover photo. Scroll down to the Edit Your About Info section, and click on the three dots, then click Add Action button. A list of call to action buttons will appear. Choose the button that best fits your page's goals, such as View Shop, Sign Up, Contact Us, Book Now, or Learn More. After selecting the button, enter the destination URL where you want people to be redirected when they click the button. This could be your website, a specific landing page, or a contact form. Click Save to apply the changes. Once saved, you can test the call to action button to ensure it directs users to the correct destination. If your goals change or you want to direct users to a different destination, you can update the call to action button at any time by following the same steps. By following these steps, you can effectively create a compelling call to action button on your Facebook page, encouraging visitors to take the desired action.